Hi, everybody. Welcome to our very last week of SOC 105 Marriage and the Family. This week we will be looking at love, romance, and intimacy. So, just a little bit of class business to get you started. You might want to go ahead and grab your lecture quizzes because I'm about to give your first lecture quiz answer. So, our last day of class in SOC 105 is Thursday, July 23rd, and that is your first quiz question. So, the last day of class is Thursday, July 23rd. All work in this class must be completed by this date at 11:59 p.m. Pacific time, and I will not be accepting any work whatsoever, including the final exam, after this date and time. This week we have just a couple of assignments. We have an extended response journal, a lecture quiz, and a final exam. There is no discussion board this week because we have a short week and there's just not enough time for a discussion board. So instead, I have extended the length and the um, I'd say substance of the journal. And so this week's response journal is about 3 times the length as other response journals that we've had this semester. It should be about 1 to 1.5 pages in length. For maximum full points, you will want to cite the textbook in APA or MLA style and cite correctly in order to gain maximum points for this assignment. Obviously, we also have a lecture quiz. And lastly, we have a final exam. The final opens on Tuesday, July 21st at 12 noon and closes on Thursday, July 23rd at 11:59 p.m. Pacific time. You can find the exam at the top of the modules page under exams and study guides. It's at the end of that little list. You will have 60 minutes to complete your exam and it must be completed all in one sitting. It's very similar to the midterm exam and it only covers weeks 4 through 6. There is a final exam study guide. Hopefully, you've found it before now. It is in modules, again, under exams and study guides, and it covers the material from weeks 4 through 6 only. I do want to say that there will be nothing on the exam that is not included on the study guide. So be sure to get in touch with me if you have any questions or issues, and we will now go on to the next video.